What up, you guys? This is kind of a continuation of last video, because I don't even want to put them together. It might be a little too long of a video, but I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna put down the camera, I'm gonna pick it right back up. So that's where we at right now, picking the camera right back up. So if this is the continuation of the next video, what's up, guys? Your boy Stakes back at it again with another POV driving the 40,000. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are new. Videos are doing great, thank you guys so much. And so we're gonna continue to keep it going. So if it's not a continuation, I'm sorry if I repeated the same thing I already said. But anyway, right now I'm actually rushing a little bit to my practice because I just went to Dick's, bought some turf shoes for baseball because I was ruining all my shoes. And so now I'm just rushing to get to practice because practice is at 4:30. It says I get there at 4:30. It was set at 4:35, now it's at 4:33. So it's not too bad, but I still got some time to make up, because the guy that was checking me, at the checkout register thingy, he was taking forever. I was like, yo bro, I gotta go a little quicker. And he's like, oh, my fault bro. He was literally just chilling and I'm over here rushing like, come on. And so yeah, but anyway, it's not too bad, it's not too late. It's literally the first practice of the fall season, so we should have some new kids joining the team, so I don't want to be late, you know what I mean? I gotta see what's up with this team. I'm trying to win a championship, and that's what we're trying to do. So right now I'm rushing there. Car should be good to go. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna put it in sport, because as you guys know, this weird message that keeps coming up on my car hasn't shown up, and I just want to see if it comes back. Put it back into sport and see what happens. If you're wondering what I did, why last time I didn't show up when I went to the city, if you didn't check that video out, you probably should. I just took it off, cleaned it, and just put it in a different location, and it just hasn't came back on ever since that. So if it does come back, I did find someone who can code out the EDC, and that's probably going to be my next thing, because it's kind of annoying to have that, oh my god, to have that there. But yeah, I'll just have it coded out and then I don't gotta worry about that. But anyway, yeah bro, I was looking to code it out myself, but it's so complicated. Like, you need to do so much stuff to even, gotta buy a whole bunch of licenses, a whole bunch of things, programs and whatnot, and I'm just not trying to do all that. So I'll just pay somebody. He's not charging too bad, I think, for it. So, and he's not too far from me. Since I'm only 14 minutes away, so enjoy this 14-minute POV drive, man. We'll see if the car has that code, because I am going to be driving the sport the whole way there just to see if I get that code, because it always happens when I'm on the highway. It just never has happened when I'm just driving through town or anything like that. It's always when I'm on the highway, so that's why I have it in sport right now, and so you guys can hear the 40,000. I know you guys can't really hear right now, but I'll put my windows down a little bit so you can hear the pops a little better. See what's up. I don't want to go too crazy over here, just because I know there's usually the cops on this street. This is a famous street and a lot of people love to speed on this street. I'll tell you what though, I definitely need to get on that left lane, because I know for a fact there's a crazy bump that I always hit and I always say it and I never avoid it. So today we're gonna avoid it. Watch, it's literally right there. I just gotta do this, boom, and I avoided it. It's right there on that lane that I just switched over to from. The car feels good though. We just gotta see if that message comes up. If it doesn't come up, bro, I'm gonna be so happy. So happy, man. Oh, that's a cop right next to me. Hold on. That's definitely a cop. That's a cop and a half right there. Oh, but he took the exit. So back into sport we go. And I wasn't even speeding, it's just the pops, you know. It's another bump over here. I think it's in the middle lane. And this one, I don't even know. But so far the time hasn't went down. BMW right here left, on my left. See you, bud. You guys thought I was joking when I told you I was gonna upload more, bro. I'm literally treating this YouTube stuff like the game I played, bro. It's literally a YouTube game I play that I just like spam with my finger, and then he just records for a long time. And the more he records, the more subscribers, the more view, all that stuff he gets. So I was like, you know what? I'm about to do that with my actual channel too. So I'm about to upload everything and anything. You know what I'm saying? Of course, it has to be with cars and POVs and whatnot. But yeah, we're outside, bro. Working. Only a couple minutes left to go. I feel like we got here kind of quick, I ain't gonna lie. Oh, them pops ain't playing no games, yeah. Looking good. Put it in manual now that we're in town. How you guys doing though? I don't know if I asked you guys, but I hope you guys are doing great, amazing, blessed. Hope all your dreams come true. Keep grinding, stay focused, keep your head up, and don't listen to haters. That's all I got for you, bro. So everybody's always gonna hate. Somebody's always got something to say. It's just a matter of like, do you give them that time of day, or you just keep it pushing? Just keep it pushing. You'll be all right. You don't need any of those people that are hating, unless it's to help you, and it's not a hate. When they're, you know, trying to help you, it's not really hating. It's more like, yo, if you do this, I feel like it'll be good. Like I like your videos, or I like whatever you're doing. But when you got haters, bro, it's like, bro, don't listen to them idiots, them fools. They don't know any better. They're probably freaking not doing nothing at home, you know, and you're all here at least trying to, you know, better your life, do something cool, do something special, something you enjoy. So don't listen to people who aren't doing nothing, bro. I only take advice from people who like are actually doing something, or are doing what I want to do, or that are successful at it, or that are grinding just like me. Those are the people you want to listen to, or surround yourself with. But don't surround yourself with people that are doing something that's not even in your niche, to be honest. That's like a basketball player telling a baseball player how to play baseball, you know what I mean? And vice versa. It's like, bro, you're not helping me. You're just talking without knowing, you know what I'm saying? That's the same for everything, really, bro. YouTube, life, anything, bro. Money. How a brokey gonna tell me how to make money? Are you that ass? You know what I'm saying? I'm just chatting now, but forgive me. I got my water. Stay hydrated, boys and girls. That's my chug right here, for those of you guys who play Fortnite. Oh man, I love this car, bro. I love this car. I still actually, I don't find it strange, but do you guys find it like, have you ever talked to yourself for like 30 minutes straight? But it's not yourself, because I'm talking to you guys, but you know, it's kind of talking to myself, but it's not, you know what I'm saying? But have you guys ever done something like that? And did you guys feel weird? At first I did, but now it's so normal to me. I feel like I'm actually talking to someone, and they're like, you know, not answering, so that just means I'm just chatting by myself, but it's all good. God bless the 440,000. Such a good car. I'm going this way. Usually I go straight, because usually it's faster. Not faster, but this way has no lights at all. Maybe one or two, but the other way has OD. And I need to get to 440,000, boys. And no cars, like I'm just going. I should throw a detailing car to that woman right there. She has kids, she probably needs a detail, but I don't got time. I gotta go. I gotta go, go, go. Go to the word, I gotta go. Woo. Go, go, go. We on go mode. You hear those downshifts? And those of you guys who asked me what my tune settings and all that shenanigans, I don't know what it is, bro. I made a video on it, so if you're curious, just check out the video. It's on there somewhere. I don't remember exact settings though. So damn, I've been driving by this house since they started and they're going so fast, bro. When you got money, bro, stuff gets done really fast. But yeah, they building that thing super quick. It's a really nice area too. The house over there. Nice houses everywhere. Let me see if Coach texted me. No, not yet. He's probably, kids aren't probably all there yet. Next goal, I'm gonna be buying a steering wheel very soon, guys. I'll hopefully wrapping the car, and I got some, bro. I'm gonna stay tuned, bro. Sticks is actually either gonna get a new car or build this one for real this time. You know what I'm saying? Which one do you guys want to see? A new car or me build the 440,000 for real? Like, and that involves a wrap, rims, steering wheel, starlights, and then maybe more power. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? If I keep the car, that's what's gonna happen. Like, I'm just gonna keep the car at that point and I'm just gonna build it. Which field I'm at today, actually. I don't even know where I'm at. No, that's the wrong chat. I need this one. Max, you good? Are you good? Yeah, we back today. Yeah, awesome. See you on field 1, small turf. Nice. Okay. Yes, sir. We here. Be there in like a minute, which is great. So that means I'm really late, just a little bit. Look at this Tesla in front of me. It's a strange wrap. I've never seen that wrap before, but it's different with black rims. Looks nice. Looks all right. Let me turn off these purples. Don't scare the kids now. And just like that, boys, we made it to practice, my geysers. If you guys are new, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. We're going 10 to 10K, man. I appreciate you guys so much, man. Stay tuned for more content, and I'll see you guys in the next one, man. Peace.